The Middle East has an intoxicating history. It's a cradle of civilizations and a beautiful, complicated land that's home to some of the world's most hospitable people. Jerusalem, Beirut and Cairo. The Middle East cities read like a roll call of historical heavyweights. In this land of historical, architectural and all manner of other treasures, it may just be the people who'll live longest in your memory, along with the privilege of exploring such a fascinating land. This is one of the Middle East's most treasured attractions, and when the sun sets over the honeycombed landscape of tombs, it's a hard-hearted visitor who is left unaffected by its magic. Towering over both the urban sprawl of Cairo and the desert plains beyond, the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx are at the top of every traveller's itinerary. The Middle East may be strewn with landmarks left by the ancients, but few carry the raw, emotional power of Persepolis. Sacred to Muslims, Jews and Christians alike, the Dome of the Rock is an epicentre of religious convergence and conflict. It is also home to a gold-plated mosque of singular beauty, built to represent humankind's yearning for God. The Nile is Egypt's lifeline, an artery that feeds the entire country from south to north. Only by boat can you appreciate its importance, and also enjoy seeing archaeological sites from the water. High season runs June through August. In the spring and autumn, weather is often agreeable, and crowds are generally smaller at main sites. Daily costs in the Middle East can range from under $40 if you enjoy a dorm bed and street food, to over $300 for a luxury hotel and fine dining. The Middle East has a reasonable transport network, although distances are long and standards vary. Check travel advisories before making long overland journeys in most countries. From ruined cities to the aspirational architecture of the great faiths and modern settlements whose origins date back to the dawn of time, the Middle East is an astonishing and complex region where the past is always present, history is the heart and soul.